Flash flood following incessant rain devastates normal life in the state. Rescue operations underway to bring relief. Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby reacts over Governor Najib Mahabtullah's statement regarding formation of state government. And Amuko stages sit-in against Bangkok Declaration of June 14, 2001, the ceasefire agreement signed between NSC and IM and the central government. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Flash flood following incessant rain since last Sunday has devastated normal life in the state. Major rivers passing through the valley districts are flowing at danger level, and at some locations river banks have been breached. Around 300 feet stretch of Imphal River embankment ruptured at Karam in Langtabal constituency, inundating several houses in the area. People are facing grievous inconveniences in blocking the overflowing riverbank. The riverbank started breaching around noon yesterday. 9 individuals were trapped in the flood water, out of which the MMTA and SDRF personnel, after their relentless efforts, finally evacuated 4 flood-trapped family members of Laisram Kesho around 3 this afternoon. Efforts were on since yesterday to rescue them using SDRF's raft, but it was futile. The rescue team at last managed to rescue the 4 members using MMTA's raft boat this afternoon. The flood victims were taken to a hospital in the Health Directorate's ambulance as the victims' health deteriorated. The rescue team also finally managed to reach the house of Laisram Sanjit and rescue the 5 persons trapped by the floodwater this evening. Minister Karam Sham and MLA Wangoy Olukhoi, officials of Manipur Police, SDO Wangoy, SDRF personnel, staff of the Health Directorate, volunteers of MMTA and Indian Red Cross Society are on site putting all-out efforts to repair the damaged riverbank to prevent any further overflowing of the water and to bring relief to the flood victims. Many houses, paddy fields and fish farms were destroyed in the flash flood, not only in Langtabal constituency but even in the neighboring Wangoy constituency. Breaching of Imphal Riverbank at Karam in Langtabal constituency submerged several areas in Wangoy constituency. Surging water has inundated road at Samurao area of Mayai Lambi. Not only are the croplands and farms submerged under floodwater has started seeping inside residential homes, due to which many people have started taking shelter in safer places. Water drained in from Karam and overflowed from Nambol River have inundated Samurao Kairao Lokol, Samurao Naurem and several other areas. MLA Wangoy Olukhoi, who has visited the flood-affected areas in the constituency to take stock of the flood situation today, has assured of opening relief camps in different areas and to distribute relief materials to flood-affected victims. Speaking to media persons, the MLA said the people of the constituency have been on alert day and night in apprehension of breaching of riverbanks as they faced immense hardship last year. He said there is no report of the rupture of river banks in the area so far. However, surging water from neighboring constituency have flooded different areas, even though there is no flash flood like previous year in the constituency.
Karam jigi de hujik phaw thing bagi enoma phaw lokhatri thing basu yamna line de thoi thongrabani no pai leite adu madu ge heng thongra matung da nga yo iba मीसिंग दगी लौ थुमगिबा लौ मपुसिंग युम थुमिबा खोलिबा सिंगदुना सरकारी माइकैदगी रिलीफ मटेरियल ने चिंगबा रिलीफ हांगंदना आई अमा हाइजरमे पलकी रिलीफ हांगबिनबा डीसी इम्फाल वेस्ट कंसन एसडीओ केकरा लोइबा इंस्ट्रक्शन पिजगरे रिलीफ मटेरियल छोइदना याम थुना लौथरानी पोरानी केम हांगनना सेम छारो हाइना हाइजरमे दो हजे मुक पाउ पिरकबदा समुरौ नावरेम चाप्रो साइगी लोकोन दुगा समनबा खुनसे अदो मुक थुमजलेने पाउ पिरे अदो मदुगिसु युम थुमबंगैदुगी लिस्ट पांखत पिरो अदो रिलीफ हांगनना सेम छाबिरोना सुमाइना आई हाइजगरे
Over 25 flood-affected families of Wangkai Angom Lekai in Imphal East are currently taking shelter at Ramji Prabhu complex in Wangkai Ningthem Pukrimapal after the houses in the locality have been submerged by the flood water since yesterday. The residents are reeling under dire hardship due to unavailability of safe drinking water and electricity for the past 2 days. Locals are utilizing paddle boats to shift their properties and to reach the shelter. A report in this regard from Impact News reporter Bhakta Tarangbam.
Kadai dano chalisbo kadai dano yum ni sing loi thumjangrabo
ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯪꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯛꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯁꯨꯝꯇ ꯄꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯁꯨ ꯐꯪꯗꯦ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯀꯤꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ ꯅꯨꯡꯒꯥꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯂꯣꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯅꯕ ꯃꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯆꯩꯗꯣ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯆꯥꯗꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯅꯣꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ나 ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯛꯅꯕ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯆꯥꯛ
Tararak sure ising chawje handak haire tararak sure adum akhoi gi lekai gi hoina chawrani lore nung gi kasini si handar ngasi ayugi handar pogi kenone ba lai ba yadre adigi kiemda leigada kusuna ngongre ising chawba hinjalaktana cha na ba chieng adigi nongmagi changda ba yada ba hinjang na pi ama lai ba khotpa gi pharak tai hoji gi adum akhoi mayam gi cha na ba khangde thau thum ama adum yelhan ba pami adigi si manung akhoi thokpadi phangongdre dana adum manung sida moina kari kamaina laaga pi doino adudi khangdre sarkar gi miyeng yengdi yeng haninge
Uji aina leiriba mafam asi Wangkai kendergi manung channa Wangkai angom lekai heba lekai dugi sorog mani huji lekai asi handang marak nong nini asi gi manungda nong kana chukiba aduna maram oiraga lekai asi huji ising na punthom thumsing khare lekai asi da leiba mi ayamba maruina nupi angang amadi ahlaman ke ama khara safagadabo mafamda changjafam loduna leiri huji lekai sigi oiriba ising ichawgi fibam asi myam dum yengda kambigani huji leiriba yumgi aigi nak yetter leiriba yumgi sarusing asi almost tangkhai phawo thumjin kare aduga huji aina lepiba mafam asi Wangkai om lekai dagi ayang pali taba lambi duni aduna huji oiriba lambi gi saruk saktam asi maruina aigi ising ichawgi ising asina आई almost west high की मथक लेरी अदुना सिदैस्ता चटनाबा मरोइना ट्रांसपोर्टेशन अमदी चथोक चसिंग तोबा अयाम लोइना कखरे लेकाइसदा लेबा मियामना पामले बिसी हौजि हौजि की ओइना तंगाइ फदना संगदबा यादबा मतें खरदी मरी लेनबा अथॉरिटी अमदी सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दगी तंगाइ फदना अवाबा तारबा लेकाइसदा लेबा मियामना मतें पांगबियु हाइबदुनी इंपैक्ट न्यूज़ की दमा भक्त तरंबम Wangkai angom lekai.
Overflow of Thaubal River has inundated Poirei Khongjin, Yaripok Tulihal and surrounding areas of Imphal East constituency. Over 1,000 residential houses at Poirei Khongjin, Tumukhok Moirangpurel and Angtha were affected due to the rupture of riverbanks. The victims of these flood-affected areas are taking shelter in nearby localities. Domesticated animals, farms and large area of cultivable lands were adversely affected by the flash flood in these areas. MLA Andhro Thaunawjam Shyamkumar blamed deforestation for the frequent flood experience in the state during his inspection of the flood-affected areas today, where he donated food items to the people. Assuring of all necessary relief items in all the flood-affected areas in his constituency, Shyamkumar said the state will undertake great measure to combat the situation at the earliest. Public Health Engineering Department PHED in a press release informed that the public can contact the following mobile numbers for water supply related issues in view of the current flood condition in the state. The mobile numbers are 9436-021-526 or 7085-320-202 for Central and Western Imphal Municipal Area, 9436-025-285 or 9774-274-659 for Imphal Municipal Eastern Area, 9862-272-292 or 7005-033-245 for Chinga and Singdamay Municipal Area, 9612-096-851 or 9612-907-471 for Imphal East, 9856-022-832 and 8974-005-142 for Imphal West, 7005-456-794 and 8974-755-912 for Thoubal District, while 7005-024-873 or 813-2077-996 for Bishnupur District. Inhabitants of flood-affected areas of Imphal Valley are currently taking refuge at various relief camps set up across the state. People of New Lambuland and surrounding tribal colonies are taking shelter at relief camps opened in schools and churches. Relief camps are open at Covenant English School and KBC Center Church since yesterday. Impact News came across MLA Wangkai Okram Henry and representatives of Arun Enterprises trying to minimize the plights facing the flood-affected victims by donating necessary food items.
Hajik ising tumjin ba jaga se khara sarong matai gumade kangbasu yauri adubo ayamana tribal colony sidadi ising se food amagi mathakta leiri ado nongsa saradi numid ani hum manungda kangadra haina khalli aduga chasa avenue shrom sisu kangma mafam su yawi kangdam mafam su yam yauri hain thamjigi asumana toren kairega waba si yam thokpani na toren turban se phajana simhan ninge simjin bi yo hain su appeal tawjari aduga sumaina kanagumba sumaina awana taba khotpa leirasu ekhoi New Lamland ge KBC Center cha sida ekhoi changjafam adum thong launa hangi.
MLA Nambol and Loken has distributed relief materials to relief camps open for flood-affected victims at different areas of the constituency today. The MLA distributed rice, pulses, candles, edible oil and mosquito repellents. Nambol Block Congress Committee drew the attention of the government to look into the grievous condition facing the people. A combined team of 6 Assam Rifles posted in Lilong and Kanchipur in collaboration with volunteers of State Disaster Response Force SDRF carried out rescue operations in flood-affected areas at Urup, Kairao and Lilong Arapti. Reliable sources of the Assam Rifles informed that altogether 200 people were rescued so far in the operation, carried out under the supervision of Commander Major Hamid of Lilong Company and Commander Subhas Anal of Kanchipur Company. It may be mentioned that large areas in Imphal Valley and hill regions have been widely affected by the flash floods in the state. Considering the prevailing unfavorable flood situation in the state, Governor of Manipur, Dr. Najma Heptulla, has earlier declared June 14, that is today, and June 15 as holiday for all government offices and educational institutions, including public sector undertakings, corporations and autonomous bodies under the government of Manipur, and all banks and financial institutions in the valley districts, except for the police department, fire service, water resource, health sectors, revenue departments, power department, relief and disaster management, PWD, PHED, municipalities, deputy commissioners and SDOs. Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby termed it unfortunate that Governor Najma Heptulla expressed that Congress, the single largest party in the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly, could have been invited to form the government if the party stake claimed to form the government only now when disaster hit the state. The opposition leader was addressing media persons at the office of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, BT Road, today. Ibobi maintains that the statement made by the governor is baseless and that the Congress party requested to form the government to the governor herself as soon as the result of the election was declared. He intimated that the governor then told him that the formation of the new government was hindered as he didn't resign from his chief ministership and gave no further response. On the other hand, the opposition leader asserted that the party is sharing the grief of the disaster-stricken people of the state. He further assured that the Congress will help out the flood-affected people.
Haukiba tarasuwa assembly gi magi life span se March ki tang 18 bhawa tarani pan phobo leibane ado anuba government du sengibdi madugi life span du leina election commission na anuba tarama thoirak suba tam du constitute tawdringada March ki 15 da wasakrabane madu constitutionally valid oi de haibadu de khang ahi singna nainara sunu Manipur ki awaba taringai kanda sida khoi masi awai akum tawdna response po tawning dabne adu state ki governor amna haira abanina khoi tangai phadana in appropriate time wergasu akhoi sengdoktaba yade haidna khoi sengdokchabani.
A combined team of Commando More, led by DSP Commando More, Thomas Tokchom, along with OC Commando More, Y. Shakti Shen, along with a team of 11 Assam Rifles, under the supervision of ST Technopol, Dr. S. Ibomcha, apprehended one cadre of proscribed group Kanglei Yawol Kanalup KYKL from gate number 2, More Ward number 5 at 10 this morning. The arrested individual is identified as one Naurem Nanau, alias Kauro Hanba, 28 years, son of Naurem Thambo Yaima from Pukhao Ahalup Sagolmang in Imphal East. Reportedly, he is a surgeon with Army number 628. After police interrogation, he disclosed that he joined the outfit in 2006 and underwent a basic training 23rd batch at Tanan in Sangang province of Myanmar for 3 months. A case was registered at More police station in this regard. A joint team of officers of Anti-Smuggling Unit, Customs Division Imphal and CRPF More seized 10 gold biscuits weighing 1 kg 660 gram, estimated to be around 52 lakh rupees from a woman yesterday. Acting on a tip-off, the team seized the gold from one Amina Banu, 50 years, daughter of Abdul Karim from More, Ward number 5, under Technopole subdivision during a search operation at Sunrise Club Ground, More, around 4:45 last evening. The seized gold biscuits were produced in front of media persons today. Speaking on the occasion, Assistant Commissioner Customs Division Imphal, R.K. Darendrajit, intimated that the team also seized 3 gold biscuits weighing around 500 gram each from one 500 gram from one Muhammad Sarif, 19 years, son of Muhammad Abdul Sattar, from More, Ward number 5, heading towards More from Imphal on a Maruti van bearing registration number MN01S9775 yesterday itself. He said that the gold biscuits, estimated to be worth around 15.5 lakh rupees, were seized during a checking operation at Custom Checkpoint Palel around 8:30 last night. It may be mentioned that Customs Anti-Smuggling Unit Imphal has taken up 16 gold smuggling cases and seized gold estimated to be worth around 5.3 crore rupees so far since April 1 this year.
Thani makhai sida koina hajubawda gold case taratruk sure koina tawbse aduga 5.3 crore gi sijadi koina tawbu ngamre ko adu loinana koina faghriba sigi manungda hojiksi kg 100 mukti akoisi yonba yabagi kanoda leihre right for disposal ni hojik yon koi yonba yam kana process tawri koi imphal gi State Bank MU binu da leibse siga tayab tawga akoina bank ki through da faghriba sana singchi yonba tawri sana singji hari sana singji matamam da di brahmarom di la sana si quality faten harami adu handak laiba sana singji di koi 24 carat yamna high kano oiba 9.98 ki standard ki sana ngaktani.
Desam in a press release informed that foreign names written in Roman script in Prime Mayek Mapi book published by Prime Publication will be translated into English. The press release stated that Prime Publication will undertake the necessary rectification without further delay. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on All Manipur United Clubs organization protesting against Bangkok Declaration, the ceasefire agreement signed between NSA and IM and the central government on June 14, 2001. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Members of All Manipur United Clubs organization Amuko, along with women folks of the state, staged a sit-in at Kwaketel Bazaar today against Bangkok Declaration, the ceasefire agreement signed between NSA and IM and the central government on June 14 in 2001. Speaking to media persons, President of Amuko, P.H. Devan, said the organization has been revolting against any conduct of the Indian government trying to disintegrate the communities in the state right from the start. He said that the center withdrew the Bangkok Agreement, which imposed ceasefire without territorial limits following the protests of Amuko along with the people of the state on July 27 the same year. Devan recalls 18 people of the state sacrificed their lives in the people's movement to protect the territorial integrity and unity of the state on June 18, 2001. He asserted that the June 18 incident will be vividly carved in the history of Manipur. Devan appeals to people of all the community in the state to pay tribute and honor the brave hearts on the occasion of the Great June Uprising Day and stand united to protect the integrity of the state.
14 June na si yamna maru oi 18 June na mioi kaya na thawai na pontha pikriba adu gi horakpham ni aduna 18 June na si jo akhoi gidi Manipur kannana bagi damakta Bharat ki constitution or natragana Bharat ke adugumba prime minister home minister na Manipur kannana bagi wafam makoi gi makok te yaude Manipur kannana bagi damakta di Manipur leiriba akhoi gi chingmi tami miyam pomna mangna amat toina lepmin naraganda Manipur kanbang ngani abje akhoi gi achet pa thajaba amakhakne aduna akhoi unity ama thamaganda akhoi gi integrity ngakpa ngamgani aduna laiba 18 June gi thoram chida hojik wari sanabagi tangkak loisale haiba wafam mayam ama leire aroibada lawrakadoiba warep chida Manipur gi ngamkhai shokadaba Manipur gi unity shokadaba integrity da singnabo oiba wafam mamata yauba yaroi haibase akhoi gi miyam apunbagi adugumba 18 June gi thoram china miyam pumnamuna utminasi.
Raj Medicity has launched a Raj Integrity Week observance at the hospital's premises in North AOC today. A sports injury unit and surgical oncology department of the hospital were also inaugurated on the occasion. Managing Director of Raj Medicity, Howidam Rajan said the Integrity Week observance starting from tomorrow till June 21 is initiated under Corporate Social Responsibility Scheme of the hospital to ease the inconveniences facing the people of the state in getting medical treatment. As part of the week-long observance, free OPD services will be provided including general operation, general surgery, surgical oncology and surgery for sports injury. Rajan said the sports injury unit is an initiative to help the sports persons of the state by providing quality medical treatment in times of sports-related physical injuries.
Sports injury ki matang sida akoina yamna phajaba treatment ama piba ki policy program ama khoi leibini adu ngasidi mapung pharaktana masigi department ama khoi hangdok chare masin onco surgery mayamna se medicine tawraga laying basi khoi ki leitri hoju baudi hoju khoina asi anoba hangdok chare ba department se onco surgery haibadi operation tawraga cancer naraga leiba apom matang leiba cancer naraba mi se operation tawraga mai cancer du maru phukun lokthoga ma se cure to honba adu magi pone Sing amasung tamda lady basin and oxing, Tally Tabna Madam Wiraga, Operation Toba, Namdaba, Ladigadi, Raz Integrity Week have a program Sidesida, Saruk Yabu.
Shiza Blood Bank and Transfusion Services observed the World's Blood Donors Day 2018 today by holding a voluntary blood donation camp on the theme Be There for Someone Else, Give Blood, Share Life. Around 50 volunteers donated blood on the occasion. Atom Niroda from Singjamei Thongam Lekai, who appeared in the combined competitive examination conducted by MPSC in 2005, filed a writ petition at Guwahati High Court Imphal Branch in 2007. Niroda, in a press release, informed that Chief Justice of Manipur High Court, Ramalingam Sudhakar, has directed the officials of MPSC to recheck the answer sheets and the interview sheets on June 5 and that the hearing on the case will be held on June 19, 2018. M. Manindra Memorial Trust and M. Prithviraj and his family organized the 10th M. Manindra Memorial Meritorious Award 2018 at INA Martyrs Memorial Hall in Moirang today. Principal of Diligent Public School Moirang, K. Bidya was felicitated for producing rank holders in the HSLC examination 2018 and Principal of LCM High School, K.H. Rajan Kumar, was felicitated for producing 100% first division pass students in the state exam. Footballers Singam Subhas, Udanta Kuman and Dhiras Moirangthem were also felicitated on the occasion. 13th position holder of HSLC examination Maisnam Tanushri, 23rd position holder Ningthaujam Robikanta, 4th position holder of class 12 board examination Maibram Vashundara, including Royal Philem, who was the overall topper of Mizoram board 2018, and other meritorious students from Moirang constituency securing 70% and above were also felicitated with cash prizes on the occasion. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, in a press release, informed that the discussion on the syllabus of history subject for class 12, earlier scheduled to be held on June 14 and 15, has been postponed indefinitely in view of the flash flood situation in the state. JSC formed against the mob lynching of a person on the last day of a Lai Harauba ceremony on March 7 this year at Yaripok Top Chingtha has demanded to change the investigation officer of the case within a week. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, convener of the JSC, Kulem Tomcho, stated that it is still not ascertained if all the people involved in the killing are arrested yet. He questioned why further investigation is not carried out to arrest the assailants after arresting only 4 persons involved in the incident. Tomcho maintained it could not be just 4 persons involved in the case and as such demanded to change the investigation officer at the earliest.
Ayona tawribasing do ikoina pamjadrisina karigino haibakanda mi je mari khakta natebad mi yamigin
ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯒꯦꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯥꯏꯑꯣꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯥꯏꯑꯣꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯠꯂꯗꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯅꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯥꯏꯑꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯑꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯑꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯄꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯑꯣꯁꯦ 1 week ꯍꯞꯇꯥ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯖꯦꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ
Umanglai Kanba Punba Lub Ukal in a press release informed the individuals and authorities concerned not to perform religious rituals of any other deities at the shrine of Hodam Lairembi. Ukal strongly condemned such rituals performed at the shrine last year and further warned not to repeat such activities in the future. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren has wished the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim community, on the occasion of Idul Fitr. He wished for the festival to bring peace, love and brotherhood amongst the people living in the state. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar also extended best wishes to the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim community, on the auspicious and joyous occasion of Idul Fitr, marking the end of Ramadan, the sacred month of fasting for the Muslims. While Joy Kumar wished for the festival to herald the sanctity of humanity by spreading love, harmony, brotherhood and peaceful coexistence amongst the people of Manipur in the days to come. Purum Pangaltabi Development Association in a press release stated that a team of individuals led by Dr. Khetrimayum Kala, president of BJP Kishan Morcha, has distributed food items to the Muslim inhabitants of Purum in Imphal East in relation to Idul Fitr. Now the sports news. Charmi Nongmai Kapam and Shruti Alawat will meet in the ladies singles final of under-14 girls IDTA Mata Aita Super Series tomorrow. The Super Series of the All India Tennis Association, organized by Imphal District Tennis Association under the aegis of Manipur Tennis Association, earlier held at Lamphilpat, was shifted to Officers Club Deco Turf Lamphilpat from the semi-final match of the series due to the inclement weather of the state. In the first semi-final match played today, Charmi Nongmai Kapam dropped Durganshi 9-2 to enter the final, while Shruti Alawat dropped Arun Kumar Lakshmi 9-3 in the second semi-final match. 21 girls from different states of the country are taking part in the series, which kicked off on June 11. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Flash flood following incessant rain devastates normal life in the state. Rescue operations underway to bring relief. Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby reacts over Governor Najma Abdullah's statement regarding formation of state government. And Amuko stages sit-in against Bangkok Declaration of June 14, 2001, the ceasefire agreement signed between NSCNI and the central government.